how you zone and how you want to individually customize the lights to make them do different colors or different brightnesses or things like that is really a personal preference. When I set houses up, generally I'll set them up in sections of the house and also in sections by odd and even. And that way we can make the house alternate colors from light to light, or we can make the house different sections of color, or we can make the house half a color and half another color, or we can make the house all one color. That really gives you lots of flexibility without the total annoyance of I've got 30 lights and I've got to, a lot of times you don't want to make every one something different, right? And so zoning gives you the capability of not going through the annoyance of individually telling every light what to do, but really grouping them into sections so it makes it faster and easier. And really that's what this product is all about.